will go through this book. This is buku mewarna, coloring book. Alright, let's go through the insights of this book one by one. Okay, sebenarnya parent boleh tunjuk kepada anak-anak buku ni dan cuba tunjukkan mereka gambar-gambar yang terdapat di dalam buku. For example, this one is ayam, gambar ayam, gambar lembu. Yang mana semua gambar ini boleh diwarnakan. Alright, contohnya untuk gambar ini. Ini adalah gambar kentang. Pertama sekali, parent tunjuk what picture is this dan tanya kepada anak-anak, gambar apa ni? Dan diorang akan jawab mungkin kentang. And parent also can ija satu persatu huruf satu suku kata yang ada di gambar tersebut. Contohnya K-E-N. This. Lepas tu boleh ajarkan anak membaca dalam masa yang sama. Lepas membaca, parent boleh minta anak-anak untuk pilih color yang diorang mahukan. What color do you want? What color is kentang? Kentang color warna apa? Then maybe they will choose brown. And parent can ask them to color the picture. For example, this one. Alright, dalam masa yang sama, parent boleh sekali untuk colorkan kentang ini bersama anak-anak. Kita colorkan. Kentang bersama anak-anak. Alright, the benefits from this buku mewarna will increase our child visual perception because by visually look at all the picture inside this book, actually all the shapes, all the pictures will increase their visual perception. Next, benefits from this book is will improve our child hand manipulation, which is in the context of there is rotation in coloring while they're coloring the pictures. That will improve their hand manipulation. Okay, the third benefit from this buku mewarna will develop our child reading skill because by reading the syllable of each picture from this book, that will increase their reading skills. And the suitable age for this book is from 6 years old and above. That's all. Thank you.